Indeed, Honorable Emeka Ihedioha search for legal redress may end in his favor. The battle for the governorship of Imo State has been on for a while. You may recall that right after the 2019 gubernatorial election in Imo State, Hope Uzodinma went to court to challenge Honorable Emeka Ihedioha's former governor position, and on the 14th of January, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Hope Uzodinma, setting aside Honorable Emeka Ihedioha's governorship. This Supreme Court decision was met with mixed reactions. However, the Supreme Court decision was declared irreversible. Surprisingly, Honorable Emeka Ihedioha has never backed down from this legal tussle, as there have been several court cases against Governor Hope Uzodinma that have struck out of court. However, the most recent case brought against Governor Hope has generated a lot of dust. Barrister Philip Umede San has prayed the Supreme Court to interpret the fact that Uche Nwosu Rochas Okorocha's son-in-law was declared as the legitimate candidate for the Imo APC gubernatorial election, while Hope Uzodinma, an APC member, was declared governor by the same Supreme Court. In view of the fact that the Supreme Court is irreversible, this case would be a tough nut to crack, and this ruling may eventually end in favor of Honorable Emeka Ihedioha, as Uche Nwosu, the legitimate APC candidate, was disqualified from the Imo election. Indeed, Honorable Emeka Ihedioha's resilience may be about to pay off. Thank you for listening to this news. And that's just the reality. You see, a lot of people cannot wait to see Hope Uzodinma leave office. Do you know that? A lot cannot wait, because he has been a bottleneck to many Imolites. So they cannot wait. Why will they wait? When he's coming into office, brought them misery, brought them pain, disappointment. Many Imolites cannot wait to see him out of office. You can imagine, he is the only governor that came into power and introduced an emir in Imo State. Onto what? Onto what? And for what reason? Is Imo State a northern state? Emir only exists in the north and not in the east. Out of the 5 eastern states in Nigeria, where have you ever seen where they have an emir in the state? Where? If not that Uzodinma have the agenda to Islamize Imo State. Yes, that is his plan with his paymaster, and that is why they kept quiet the moment he succeeded in deceiving the court that he is the flag bearer of Imo State. Don't you know? That is the condition given to him. But somehow, he never succeeded, because all eyes are on him. All eyes are on them. How can they succeed? Is it possible? It can't. It's not possible, my dear, because the world are watching. The world are watching. Everyone is watching. Everyone is looking. Let's see how possible that is going to be. My dear viewers, the same courts that pronounced him winner of the election is the same court that will denounce his winning and send them back, packing out of Douglas House. I'm not a PDP, neither am I an APC, but with what I know concerning the Imo gubernatorial election, I know that Uzodinma has played a foul play. Only God knows what he did to those judges, because even the international observers as well, they themselves saw it that the judgment is not a fair one. So while they were leaving, they uttered the statement that Nigeria is a country with a law, but they behave like a country with no law. Have you seen that? Hope you can see that. And that is the reality. So what are we bothering ourselves about? What are we worrying ourselves about that? You understand? So please and please, my dear viewers, based on this fact, I crave your indulgence to come in and air your own opinion concerning this case. Let us speak up. Let us air our views. Let us hear ourselves. Let us know what we have in mind concerning this very video. Do you understand? Okay? So please and please and please, come in and air your own opinion. See, if not because the youth came out with their voices, I tell you, the SAS officials that have been terrorizing the community would have still been in office. Don't you know? Yes, they would have still been in office. But because they took a bold step, to protest, to speak up, that is why these people cannot. That's why these SAS officials were taken out of office, and that is just the fact, and that is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so you voice out. It's not necessary that you must voice out physically. You can still voice out online. The online voicing, to me, is even more safer and more realistic. Okay, so please voice out. Let's know your opinion. Let's hear your voice. Let's know what you have in mind. Let's know how you feel and what you really want concerning the situation. What do you want to become the governor of Imo State? You want Uzodinma to be retained? If you don't want him, you want Ihedioha to be reinstalled. Speak up. Let's hear your voice. All right. So don't forget to leave those comments of yours below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.